back to my channel. Let's get this face together for the summertime. Okay, this is my summer glowy makeup look. We're gonna start off with primer. I'm using the MAC Studio Radiance Primer. I really love this primer, y'all, and it gives just the perfect glow without being too greasy. I'm a normal skin girly. I'm sometimes dry, but in the summertime, the whole point is not to put on a lot on your face because it's too hot for that. Okay, so we're gonna keep it simple but effective and making sure that your face sits all day long. Okay, next I'm using Benefit Cosmetics, their Do La La Liquid Glow Highlighter. I'm using the shade Comet, which is deep dark. Y'all, this right here is the truth. I know I use a little bit too much, but this is perfect for the summertime. You can use it on your bare skin or over makeup. I use this underneath my makeup because I just wanted that extra glow, and because it's a deep dark, it works perfect as a bronzer. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about later. Of course, it's time for brows. I'm using the NYX brow gel in the color brown, you know, low effort, but still snatched. For the perfect coverage, I'm using Merit Beauty's their complexion stick in the color sepia. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I love to use this as concealer because it's the perfect brightening, but it's not too bright. I put it all over the places that I highlight and I let it sit. Okay, that's the key to a flawless face in the summertime. And of course, next I'm using blush. I'm using Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blush in Dancing Queen. Y'all, I love Danessa Myricks, okay? We go together real bad. Her blushes are top tier and they just melt into the skin. Y'all, I think berry blushes are perfect for the summertime. They are like #1 for me after like coral blushes. Like, it looks so good. I love this blush. It's time to blend in your concealer into your blush. This is why we let it sit, y'all, okay? You get that flawless blend. Y'all see it, okay? You blend it in real nice. Don't swipe like I'm doing right now, y'all. Pat and smooth and spread, okay? And it will look so good and so seamless, I promise. Now for my girlies who like eyeshadow, this is for you. I'm using a Juvia's Place palette. I'm using the orange over here all over my lid. It's summertime. We're going to use these bright colors, okay? So orange all over my lid, just very simple, very cute. Then I'm going to add a yellow on top of that to kind of give it a little bit of a pop, summer color vibe. Then I'm going to go with a beautiful glitter all over the lid. It's going to make my eyes pop for the summertime, but it's not an intricate eyeshadow look. You can take out the glitter or just leave one shadow or not even have eyeshadow at all for my minimalistic girlies. But I promise this is a very cute and easy look. It gives effort, but not really, okay? But you still look good, I promise. I will not steer y'all wrong. So don't be like me. Make sure you set before you do your eyeshadow, but I'm using the Huda Beauty's Easy Bake in the color Cinnamon Bun to set my under eye and everything else that I concealed and highlighted. I like to use a set powder instead of a loose powder because it doesn't take away from the glow, but my face is still good for long hours. And time for the star of the show, y'all. Juvia's Place and her duo palettes. I love them so much. Look at the shade, y'all. This is her blush. This is volume 3. Y'all, I'm using this berry shade to set my blush from the Nessa Myrix. Y'all, look at this color. Y'all, if you guys don't use Juvia's Place blushes, what are you doing? Please get it together, because clearly I'm late to the party. Like, ugh, chef's kiss, y'all. And of course, because of the liquid highlighter bronzer shade that I use from Benefits Cosmetic, all I need to do is have a bronzer to set that, and it looks so good, I promise. Okay, so for my lip combo, I'm using NYX Espresso to line my lips, and then I'm using in the middle as lipstick Merit Beauty Maison, their signature lip in matte. And to top it off, I am using Armani Beauty's their lip glosses in this beautiful pink color. I'll make sure I put the shade on there so you guys can buy it, but it's a beautiful pink, and I absolutely love it. Perfect for the summertime. So this is just a little bit extra. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow to kind of give me more of a highlight. So I'm putting it on the high points of my face. Don't do too much, y'all, because it can be kind of hard to blend a bit if you're using too much on there. But I like just a little bit pop of highlight to make my beautiful melanin skin glow. Look at that. So good. To finish the glow, I'm using NYX Radiant Finish setting spray to make sure that I am glowy all day. If you're a matte girly, use a matte setting spray or just a regular one, whatever is your preference, okay? And afterwards, I just use some mascara. I believe I got this from Revlon. And that is the end of our makeup look, y'all. I want to make sure that this is dry, down, and that I am ready to go. And that's my makeup look, girls. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my glowy makeup routine for the summertime. Let me know what y'all think. Love y'all. Bye.